He's looking at it. He's looking at it.
Do you like me? Yes. Definitely. Absolutely.
I rigged it.
Mabel, I know you're going through your whole boy crazy phase, but I think you're kind of overdoing it with the crazy part.
What? Come on, Dipper. This is our first summer away from home. It's my big chance to have an epic summer romance.
Yeah, but do you need to flirt with every guy you meet? Grunkle Stan, nobody ever believes anything I say. Huh? What the? It's hard to believe it's been 6 years since I began studying the strange and wondrous secrets of Gravity Falls, Oregon. What is all this? Unfortunately, my suspicions have been confirmed. I'm being watched. I must hide this book before he finds it. Remember, in Gravity Falls, there is no one you can trust. No one you can trust.
Hello! What you reading? Some nerd thing?